All right, y'all. So, part two of the simple sentences homework is to simply look and identify, are the following simple sentences or not? There we go. So, let's look at this first one. Susan likes to cycle at night. First thing I ask, what's the subject or what's the verb? Well, likes to cycle. Okay, who or what likes to cycle? Susan likes to cycle. When? At night. That's a prep phrase. So, yes. Reason, one subject, and it's a verb. Every year at this time. Well, I look and I say, what's my verb? What's the action? And for this, every year at this time, there's no verb. At this time is a prepositional phrase. Every year maybe is the subject. We don't know, but without a verb, we don't know. So no, it's not. And the reason that is that there's no verb. Next one. My father will never forgive you. Well, first thing you ask, what's the verb? Will forgive. In grammar, we don't ever count the negative. So that even though it is there and it's negating the verb, we don't count it as the verb itself. So will forgive. Who or what will forgive? Father. So there's your subject, there's the verb. Yes. So it has one subject and verb. Number 4. Jimmy, that really tall boy and I. Okay, so I look and I say, what's my verb? Well, that really tall boy is modifying who Jimmy is. And I need to know, what did you do? And because I need to know, what did you do? There's no verb. Number 5. Sophie ate a burger and I ate a pizza. So if I look at this and I say, well, here's a comma, I'm going to look before and after the comma. Sophie ate a burger. Ate is my verb. Who or what ate? Sophie ate. Subject, verb. But over here we have, and I ate pizza. So you could say the same thing. Ate is the verb. Who or what ate? I. Most technically, this is a compound sentence because it's two subject verb combinations joined with a comma fanboys or a comma conjunction. That technically makes this a compound sentence. And so when it's asking, is it a simple sentence? My answer is no. It's actually a compound sentence, which means that it's like two simple sentences put together appropriately, right? It's appropriate combination, but you can see here it's not a simple sentence. Next one, number 6. All of the students were late. Well, first I ask, what's the verb? Well, were. Who or what were? All. You might say, well, Miss Brown, students were. And I'd say, yeah, students were, but most technically, of the students is a prepositional phrase. And in grammar, we never count the prepositional phrase as the subject. So if you're not counting that and you say all were late, were is your verb, and then who or what were? All were. And so here's my subject, here's my verb. Yes, it has one subject and the verb. And so for the last one, was so easy to do. What's my verb? Was. Who or what was? Well, it should be something like it was so easy to do, or my homework was so easy to do. But without that, we have a verb, but no subject, so no. We're missing the subject.